Hey guys, this is the moment you have been waiting for since the last video. We have finally arrived at the Argyle Luxury Boutique Hotel as part of our Hatton tour. They gave us a warm welcome right at the entrance. As we walked in, they handed us a towel, hot towel to freshen up and relax. At first, we waited in the corridor. They served us a welcome drink, not the usual juice you get at most hotels, but a warm herbal cinnamon tea. It was so refreshing and perfect for the cool weather. Yeah. After that, we were guided to our rooms and shown around the hotel, like the activity areas, the gym, and more. Actually, we booked two rooms. One of them was quite big with a large bed and some small ones too. A wider screen TV and a beautiful balcony view. The other room was also spacious, but a bit different from the first one. As you can see, the room arranged really nicely. There's a big king size bed and also two single beds set up neatly. And on the TV screen, that's actually a video showing the beautiful view of this hotel. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, all right. Now let me show you the other room. This is the other room we booked for our stay. Yeah, this is one also has a good amount of space and it feels pretty comfortable too. Yeah, this bed looks really nice. Let's try it out. Nice bed, actually. This is a wow. There are two bed seats, nice pillows, a big pillow, and also there is a small one, and also the mini one. I think you can sleep a nice manner. Yeah, there's a night lamp with both sides. Yeah, and also the there is a big white mirror. The hotel rooms are designed with a dark mode theme. The lights are all warm yellow, giving the space calm and cozy vibe with a dim, relaxing feel. I know some people might not like this kind of dark theme, but personally, I really like the warm, cozy lighting. The only thing is because of the low light, I couldn't capture the video clearly, so you might notice the footage isn't very bright. All right, let me show you a few more things in the room. There are some drawers and even a locker for your valuables. They have also set up a small station with things to make coffee and tea. And yeah, they have provided three water bottles as well. Nice little touches. All right, I'm going to freshen up first. Let's see what they provided for the washroom staffs. Yeah, there are bath kits and also some slippers to keep their feet warm. Now let's check out the bathroom. I'm going for a bath. And this is a shower area. They have provided everything you need: shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, all neatly arranged. Everything looks clean and well organized, really giving off the luxury hotel vibe. They have also provided plenty of towels and some nice washroom kits. Let me show you those here. One nice touch here is a wooden board with a quote on it, like a little shield. It's a message about saving water. A simple but powerful reminder. I really appreciate thoughtful details like that. So that's all about the room and facilities. Now I'm heading out for dinner. Let's see what they've got here. I'll show you all the food and restaurant stuff in a separate video soon. For now, we have had our dinner and came to play a bit of pool with the gang. That's it for today. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.